How do we keep people safe during a pandemic? Over the years, there's been a number of potential pathogens and airborne pathogens that airports have had to contend with or be on alert for. And we wanted to really take a look at a more comprehensive, a long-term strategic solution. And that's really where we started doing some research and came across LifeAire as a product that could really deliver in this area.
Air purification is obviously a huge concern for airports, and it's really about installing confidence in the passengers. The LifeAire brand being used in the medical community, successfully used in the medical community, and then incorporated here into the airborne environment that we have at airports is a huge confidence builder both for airport staff and for people and the passengers who are traveling. LifeAire is purely about the level of quality. The LifeAire is about as close to 100% as you could get, and it was really about the quality of the purification that brought us and wanted us to use LifeAire.
One of the things that to me was really critical about LifeAire was the broad spectrum of treatment that it could provide to a number of pathogens, difficult to kill pathogens, including COVID-19. And so when we're looking at a solution, we really wanted something that was very comprehensive. What we've heard from LifeAire is that this really provides the same level of protection that they're already providing today in a lot of the hospital and healthcare setting.
In the post-pandemic traveling world at airports, I see LifeAire and air purification becoming a huge asset to building confidence to passengers traveling every day.